How to use Discord on phone while playing games. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Discord on your phone while playing games. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, download and install the Discord app from your device's app store. Now open the Discord app and log into your account. Join the Discord server you want to use for voice chat. Join the voice channel within the server. Minimize the Discord app by going back to your phone's home screen. Open the game you want to play. Adjust your game's volume and your Discord voice chat volume to find a comfortable balance. If you need to switch back to Discord, use your phone's app switcher to quickly access the Discord app. Consider using headphones or earbuds with a microphone for a better experience. Using Discord while playing games may drain your phone's battery faster. If you experience lag or performance issues, try closing other background apps. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.